All right, folks, doing something a little different today. Today we have a 12-inch Hunter Zephair, model number D12. And I just finished cleaning this fan up. This is the original finish. I did the blades as best I could, but they probably could use a little more time. But I did want to, use this fan, so I did the best I could with it. Oddly enough, the back of the blades came out better than the front, which I find kind of odd, but it is what it is. Definitely needs to be repainted. There's paint flaking all over the place. There's your tag. You can very faintly see the type D12 there. The tag does need to be cleaned as well. You can see it's kind of oxidizing over here, but this is just kind of a rough restoration so I could put it in service because this fan runs incredibly well. It's very quiet, very smooth, and it blows a ton of air. So the only thing I had to do to it was obviously clean it. It has a new cord on it, and I replaced the felt on the base. Other than that, it's original. So still has the original switch. It's a 2-speed fan. So we'll go ahead and start it up on high. The startup sound of this fan is absolutely beautiful. Buttery smooth. And the chrome really does go nicely with the old chrome Zephair up here, so it'll be a nice runner for in here. And there's low. The fan's not completely warmed up, so low speed is still a little slow, but it would go a little faster than this. Just an absolute gem. Let it coast, and I'll start it up on high and get closer to the motor so you can hear it, because it's beautiful. It sounds so nice. All right. Here, actually, we'll turn off the oscillation here. Here's high. And there you have it, folks. 12-inch Hunter Zephair D12. Thanks for watching.